what he does. Got my gloves on, at the back, at the back, at the back. Hero?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. It's okay.
He's sleeping.
Come on.
He needs it at
You
night.
hear?
Yeah, he needs it at night.
Come on. We gotta go. BATatooey. Time to go, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's too high up.
Yeah, just let him sleep for now.
Yeah, I'm running across there, so I'm sorry. I might squish him here in a minute.
Oh, we don't want squishy.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
BATatooey.
Come on, get on it. Come on, let's ride. Come on, I'm gonna show you. Come on.
He's trying to bite it.
That's fine. I know. See on it?
Yeah.
Watch it. Get a zoom on them.
Look how cute you are.
All right, BATatooey, new home. Yeah, I got a real nice home for you. And trust me, nobody comes over and messes with you. See, easy. Rehomed.
Yeah. Hopefully he stays there.
He's mad though.
I know.
So bad.